I guess received this LED outdoor wall lamp for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice because it's waterproof with the IP65 waterproof level. Okay, I think it's on its installation. You just place the base and it's off. It comes with everything you need to install it, all the nuts, screws, anything. As you can see, here we got the base, the instruction manual, okay, and the main pin, okay. This is sand crystal. It's a clear plastic, which I think it looks perfect because it gives a nice touch, okay. And here we've got the wiring for the usual wire, okay, which I think it's really nice. So let's go ahead and test it. Come on. Okay, so you can see it's already installed. It's really nice, really easy to install it. And as you can see, it's a very bright neutral white that I find quite nice. And what I like about it is that it has a film that makes it on like a neutral white on film, and then it has a plastic cover, okay, which I think it's perfect because it makes it look really nice. It's perfect for your patio, your warehouse, or whatever place that I think it will do a perfect job, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.